Do I need to exercise? What happens to my body when I exercise? And what happens when I don't exercise? This is some of the most frequent asked question by some of you out there. And together we'll find out. Hello and welcome, please like and subscribe to my channel Forrester HR. If you're new here, we do health and exercise tips. If you want to check my other video, I will leave a link down at the description below. Now, let's get started. The first question, do I need to exercise? Before we answer that, let us know what happens to our body when we do exercise. Everybody know that exercising is good for you, but what is actually happening inside your body? 1. Everything in your body starts to communicate. Basically, exercise turns the snail mail of our system into bullet trains transporting important biochemical messages from one cell to another. 2. When you exercise, you increase your body temperature. Our muscles needs energy for it to work, so it burns our fats and carbohydrates in a series of chemical reactions that produce heat. Also, it increase your heart rate, thus pumping more blood to your system, thus making your core temperature raises. 3. Your body realizes that when you exercise, the body is in stress, so it releases endorphins, a chemical that is to block the feelings of fear and pain. 4. Your brain function increase instantly. Exercise gets your blood pumping and it improves blood flow to your brain, which helps your brain function better, especially when it comes to memory. One Harvard study found that exercise improved the size of the hippocampus, the part of the brain associated with memory and learning, and that doing just 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day was enough to help prevent the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's. 5. Calories get burned. This is kind of obvious, but the process of burning calories is more complicated. First, is it not actually burning but the breakdown of food into ADP, adenosine triphosphate, then converts it into ADP, adenosine diphosphate. 6. And afterwards? You shut down. It is believed that it has something to do with the drop in your body temperature after you're done, along with the way in which it distresses your body. Given that sleeping well is crucial to your health, not to mention a great way of losing weight without doing anything at all, exercising and sleeping are parts of the wellness cycle. Now that's what happens when you exercise. What if you don't? What will happen to your body? Here's what will happen when you don't exercise. 1. Weight and blood pressure increases, and the risk of you developing heart disease and type 2 diabetes will also increase. 2. Your bones and muscles will weaken over time. Your muscle and bones responds to the demand you put on it. If you don't exercise, it will make you weak. 3. Mental health. The lack of exercise can lead to a diminished sense of well-being. Weight gain and the loss of muscle tone may lead to social isolation, and your self-esteem can suffer as a result. Now that you heard the facts, it's better to exercise rather than to sit all day and do nothing. And how often you should exercise? Let's talk about it in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.